This is a screencast on how to solve addition problems by compensating with tidy numbers. Now when you see this in front of you, the first thing we need to talk about is what is a tidy number. So a tidy number is any number, if you remember, that ends in a 0. So this could be a 10, 20, 300, 460, 10,000. Any of those numbers end in a 0, so that makes them tidy, and they're really good to use because it means we can do more with them and calculate problems much quicker. All compensating means this word here. All that means is that we're going to turn numbers into tidy numbers, and we're going to see how to do that. So let's take a look at some examples. Let's imagine that Fernando has $35 and Tahiti has $19. I'll cross it out, $19. Now, take a moment to consider how you would calculate that in the quickest way possible. Now, actually, using this strategy, we can actually compensate. Now, an easy way of solving this is to go 35, but actually turn this 19 into 20. So if you like, add a little 1 to it. Because 35 plus 20 is very easy to add. 35 plus 20 is 55. And then we can go 55. Now take away 1 because we added this 1 at the top here. Take away 1, which is equal to 54. Okay, so let me go through that again. The first step was we turned this 19 into 20 because that's the nearest tidy number, the nearest one to 19. And we did that by adding 1. So when we did 35 plus 20 makes 55, and then we took this 55 and we took away 1, which equaled 54. And the reason we took away 1 here is because all the way up here we had added that 1 to 20. Let's try another example. If we were to have the problem this time of 42 plus 29, our first step is to change this number here, compensate, to make it a tidy number. So we can go 42 plus 30 equals 72. Very easy. Now we made this number here 30 by adding 1 to the 29. So therefore we have to go 72 take away 1 equals 71. So 42 plus 29 is 71. Again, go over those steps again. First thing we did was we made the 29 into a tidy number, and it becomes 30 because 29, nearest tidy number to 29 is 30. We went 42 plus 30 equals 72, and then we went 72 take away 1, and we took away 1 because we added this 1 here to the 29 to make it 30. So 72 take away 1 makes 71. Let's try one more example, a bit more complicated. This time, let's imagine that Tahiti has $65 and he wants to combine that with Fernando's $97. So if we were to do that together, here's what would happen. Now, using that tidy number approach, again, we can turn this 97 into a tidy number. Take a moment to think about what the closest tidy number is. The nearest tidy number is 100. So if we were to add 65 plus 100 equals 165. And then we go 165 take away 3 is equal to 162. The reason being is to make this 97 into 100, we had to add 3 to it. So therefore, we have to take away 3 at the end here. Have a go at doing some examples here. Good luck.